and welcome to our whole school assembly. I would like to invite Marley to do the Acknowledgement of Country.
I'd like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of this land and pay my respects to the elders both past, present and future, for they hold the memory, the tradition and culture of Indigenous Australia.
Thank you, Marley. Please sit quietly and listen to the school song.
We are the children of Gorican Public School. We stand together in royal blue and gold, and we're learning how to live and become better citizens, striving each day as the years unfold. Working together, playing together, we want to learn, and that's why we're here. So set yourself a rise, encouragement you'll reach them. We'll learn to live better each and every day. The help of each other, our families and our teachers, we stand united in the colours of our school. And on sports day you'll hear us shouting with our cheers for Buckthwaite, Gascoyne and Brooks, our pioneers. Working together, playing together, we want to learn, and that's why we're here. So set yourself a rise, and encouragement you'll reach them. We'll learn to live better each and every day.
Stage 2 students were involved in writing and presenting multicultural speeches. Congratulations to these two students that were recognised in Stage 2 for their participation, Lila McGann and Vienna Duke.
Our Stage 3 students were involved in writing and presenting multicultural perspective public speaking competition. Congratulations to these two Stage 3 students who were recognised for their participation, Amy Mitchell and Elise McGann.
Would you please come forward and address the assembly?
Good afternoon and welcome to our Week 6 Whole School Assembly. Congratulations on the safe, respectful behaviour that you all displayed during our NAIDOC Week celebrations. I hope it was a fun week for you all, completing the interesting activities that were organised to help every one of you learn about Aboriginal history, culture and traditions. The teachers and I were impressed by your cooking, illustrating, braiding, racing, flag making, writing and story sharing. I'm exhausted just reading out the list. We will be looking at some of the highlights later in this assembly. Mrs. Duncan would have loved it so much, but she's sick at the moment and couldn't be with us. She wanted me to tell you all though that she misses everyone and can't wait to be back at school. The artworks that you've made in your teams are on display in the hall and I think look totally awesome, but I'll let you have a look and decide for yourselves. Congratulations to the NAIDOC Week Colouring In competition winners. I've got a list right here of who you are and let's celebrate your success in that competition. So from kindergarten, congratulations to Hareem F, to Talia L, Ella K, Riley C and Sophie C. Our Stage 1 winners are Noah S, Bo M, Siddharth B, Havana J, Aaliyah K, Oliver K, Amelia G and Jaylee W. Our Stage 2 winners are Katie May C, Caleb H, Aaliyah M, Chanel Z, Liliana W and Katiara L. Our Stage 3 winners are Connor M, Taylor L, Deacon P, Jessie V, Marley D and Kyrone G. And our support unit winners are Sienna O, Jackson D and Jordan T. Congratulations and well done. I hope you enjoy your prizes. Thank you for your efforts in wearing the correct school uniform to school. Wearing your uniform proudly shows how much you care about your school and the Gorican Public School team that we all belong to. It really is wonderful to see you coming into the gate each morning dressed so beautifully and proudly wearing your uniform. Remember, the wrong hat or jumper can spoil your efforts. Keep up the great work, girls and boys. Our Year 5 students running for school captain recently presented their speeches to showcase their special leadership qualities and to persuade people that they would be the most suitable school captains for 2021. It was really hard for everyone to know who to vote for, but not as hard as what it was for the students involved. It's never easy to talk about yourself or to speak publicly, but the students did so with perseverance and courage, making it all look very easy indeed. I'm pleased to announce that the 2021 student leadership team will consist of the following students. Congratulations, Ruby S, Lily B, Alyssa N, Chloe L, Lincoln D, Riley C, Dom M, and Tyler B. Well done to all of those students involved and to the students who didn't make it into the team and tried their best to do so. The captains, vice captains, and prefects will be announced on presentation day later in the term. I'd also like to thank the people who have made donations for the Salvation Army food drive. Did you know that these donations will help the people in our community who are doing it tough at the moment and will help them to enjoy a happy Christmas? All donations are welcome and will be used to make special Christmas hampers for these people. Thanks again for your efforts in class and in the playground as you aim to be the best that you can be. I really do have the best job in the world being the principal of our great school.
Thanks so much, Mrs. Emmett. We'd now like to share with you our NAIDOC Week slideshow. again in our next assembly in a fortnight. We will now finish with the national anthem. Please stand quietly and listen.